Have you ever wondered what is inside Amazon corporate office? Today, you and me are taking a tour inside World Trade Center of Chennai. We will see the beautiful architecture of Amazon office and all the facilities provided for employees coming from different parts of the world. I will take you right from the parking to the top floor of the building. And don't worry, I won't skip the fun parts. So let's start from the parking. Hi, today I'm going to give you a tour of my office. World Trade Center, Amazon. Just park the bike. Why I'm keeping my bag? I need my bag. Let's start. We'll start by the lift. I came in Chennai in 2022 after pandemic in August. For the first month, I came on cycle. August, October, September. Yeah. Then some friends picked me up while going to office. Then I brought a new bike. This is Tower B. I work in Tower A on 27th floor. This entire ground you see, not ground but it's like a garden. It's really good place. Even when it's completely hot, it's good to sit. I need to wear my badge. I have to check in my bag here. Oh, it's turned off. I'll ask. Rakhu bag. So this is the lobby. I'm going on 20. Once we come here, we actually feel like really cool, a little relaxing. So first I'll show you our workplaces. Then we'll grab a. Okay. Oh, they are showing IPL now. So this is like our cafeteria. We have coffee machines here. We have place to sit and relax. No, too much. We have our vending machine, water and two ovens. And this is a small telephone booth, but actually it's just to have some private conversation. Like when you want to fight with your parents, your girlfriend, then probably sit in this. So it's like more calm and cozy, and not much people will listen to what you have to say. And then there is this place to sit. Now this is not my floor, but it exactly same, but not so much great. I'll take a cup of milk and then I'll show you around the floor. Consumables are like chocolate, boost, Horlicks, lot of tea, like 6 types of tea are here. Lemon tea, green tea, tulsi tea, masala tea, and yes, sugar, soup. Yeah, like you can never be hungry here. You can almost always find something to eat. So usually for my floor, we have to swipe our badge for this floor, but this one opens because this is not the same floor. Step into office. That's C. And I sit at that and somewhere kind of early, a lot early today. And stationery box, stationery section. This is my place. This is my view. It gets chilly after some time, so that's why I need jacket. Or else in Chennai you don't need jacket. There's one cool thing to save energy there. Lights work on motion sensors. So as soon as I step forward, more lights will turn on. Luminous. Luminous. I'll do more. One more time. Luminous. 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 This one doesn't work. I'll do here. Oh, now it worked. Oh, the security team must be thinking I'm an idiot. So this is the workspace. Everybody sits here. These tables, they can go up and down like this. They have like manual mode. You can fit some level and it will go down. This is like huddle space. It's like where people have good discussions. Mostly we'll chat here. This also works on sensor. We have one more here, and this is where we can have like large open meetings. Then we have this. This is by HP, I think so. It's linked to our laptops, to our IDs. We have to swipe our badge and we can send a print from our laptop directly here. Here's a stationery center. Usually they will have small pages, small envelopes, large pages, large envelopes, and here tissue box. This is like lens wipes, stationery markers and everything is here. Then in between, wherever they can find, they have managed to keep like good space, and this is my favorite spot. From there, if I open the complete curtains, you can see the city for now, but in the morning what you will see is a good sunrise. And believe me, I have seen sunrise from this place so many times. It's ocean, the dark pitch black which you see. For like first month, I had a night shift, so I'll log in at 3 and I'll log out at 12 a.m. at night. So I'll go in our wellness room. I'll show you the wellness room, and I'll come up on 27th floor. I'll meet rest of my staff, colleagues, and I'll see the sunrise. So exactly opposite side, this is like north or south wing. Then we have more workspace, more office areas here. This is like, actually these are conference room, and there's washroom, and these are lockers. These lockers are really cool. Like I've never seen anything like, you have to swipe your badge, then they open, and when I swipe my badge again while holding it closed, it will open. Locked. Yeah, this is conference room. Then we have this focus room, just like small telephone booth. These are focus room where we can sit, and this is the other side. Then we have a fridge. We keep our beverages here, and if I keep going, then the circle will be completed. We started from there. Now I will take you to 19th floor play area. So that's where I used to spend a lot of time whenever I get extra free, or if I finish my work early, I'll be always there. I think so. The same lift is taking us everywhere. Oh, it's too cold here. It's run down. This is the 19th floor. I think so. Nobody is there. This is south wing. Let's start from south. Usually people are here to play. If we sit on this side, it's like good ocean view. Food sold here in 19th and 20th floor is really good, and the price is also very low. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like this video. And that's the play area where we have some cool things. Here we have burger. There we have healthy stuff like salad. We have to keep our used plates here. Not our own plates, but the plates which are provided by the building. It's actually rented. I don't know if Amazon owns this building, because Amazon usually rents it. So yeah, this is the foosball table. Usually it will be completely packed. Like this scene, it will be only visible at night. You never find this. Karen, one more foosball table. Oh, they added one more table tennis. Or they were always there and I didn't know. I knew there was one. So 2 table tennis, two snookers. Then here we have Xbox. Here one Xbox. During morning, it's all ocean view to that side. If I come in morning, it will be all crowded. And same on the other side, if you go, it's just tables and chairs. So that's the 19th floor. Now I'll show you the meditation room, the wellness room, and the training room. And we have a ATM machine also here, just in case of we need cash. And this is the lobby between 20th floor. This is 19th and 18th floor. And it's really beautiful. Like you have never seen, I mean, you might have seen this, but this is really good. Throughout the year in Amazon, lot of activities are celebrated. Some are outdoor and some are indoor. If these activities are indoor and there is a huge group, then these are conducted on 19th or 20th floor. If the activity is small, then these are conducted mostly in our conference rooms, like you see. We are going now on 18th floor. Locked. But this never happened. 18th floor is like where all the security team is, graph team is. They have their meetings, they have their training rooms. Even wellness room is there, so I'm not sure why they locked it, but no worries. If we go up, it's 20th floor. It's also again cafeteria, but without play zone. Lot of ovens, lot of plates. Let's try 18th floor. And this shop is always open, almost at midnight also. They have cookies, baked stuff. 18th floor, and Anne is here. Dum dum dum. We are on 18th floor. Let's see if this is open. Yeah, this one is open. Luminous. So this is our vending machine for electrical stuff like Zuki, charger, keyboard, mouse. And this is where we keep our extra stuff that we already have. Now somebody is putting trash. Now I found this USB-C cable upstairs. I'll be putting it here. They will check it and put it back. Now I will show you the, not meditation room, it's faith room, I think so. But it's really good. It's always cold. It's like people who want to pray, they can go there and pray. I've been mostly been there to just sit, like when I'm like completely tired with work, like my eyes are straining or something, and I don't want noise, because when you're on floor, you hear a lot of people talking. Managers are on call, your colleagues are talking, laptop noise, music, everything is playing, and you just don't want to hear anything for a while. Then this is the place to go. It's really cool place. I have not seen this anywhere in other building. I think so someone is praying. So I'll just put my place here, like in a interfaith room. Just show you. This one. Nobody's there. They kept a sofa here, but previously there was no sofa. That's me. And that's also ocean view again. And there, it's B building. Okay, let's go. Still not done. I'll show you the side where there's like huge sitting area where people usually sit, read newspaper, have coffee. And that's this one. This place, like here they have newspaper, here we have coffee machine, and here a lot of people can sit. Now I personally like this floor because at the end, like extreme end, there's like small quiet space, like not a lot of people will go there. They have coffee machine, they have vending machine, they have water, they have charging port, and it's a good view on that side. So that's where usually I'll go and I'll sit and I'll work on anything, my personal stuff. I usually don't take my laptop on my workspace, like I won't open it. So this is where I do it. Oh, fine. So someone else is enjoying it for now, so it's good. Now I will show luminous. Now I will show you the wellness room. So if you are not feeling well, we come here. Yes, we usually have a doctor or nurse, and this is our wellness room. Like if you are feeling tired, then we'll come here and sleep. We also have a mother's room, like someone who wants to, I think so, for pregnant woman or somebody who is already a mother. And this is for women, and a sitting area. So when I was doing night shift, at night I'll get scared to go at 12:30 or 1 a.m. So sometimes I'll just come here, I'll sleep in wellness room, and in the morning I'll meet my colleagues and then I'll go. So the lift works not like everything, like you don't press a button to call. You type here where you want to go. So if I type 1, I have to go 1 and it will show me go to J lift. Then here is G. Then I'll wait until the door opens. If you have any questions about how to join Amazon, how to get promoted in Amazon, do comment below and I'll make sure to help you as much as possible. So it's raining and now I'm kind of stuck. It looks really good. For now, that's it. Thank you for watching and travel safe.